Hi everyone, let's learn. If you're facing persistent Face ID failure on iPhone 16e requiring frequent restarts, well, how to fix it? For that, you actually need to follow few steps to do so. As so many of the people nowadays are facing this problem in iPhone 16e, for that, the first step is to check out verified Face ID settings. Well, ensure that the Face ID is properly set it up and that all relevant features are enabled under iPhone 16e or in settings. So simply go to the settings, go to passcode and Face ID and passcode as here. Enter the passcode to go in, and here you can see, make sure the Face ID is properly set it up. As you can see here, it is said that set up an alternative appearance. It means already one face is there. Require attention for Face ID. Make sure to check out all the features into it. Require passcode immediately, as you can see. And now make sure to check out this, as you have enabled all the options which are actually given to unlock with Face ID. As you can see right now, I had just enabled iPhone unlock, that whenever I'm going to unlock the iPhone, it should be done with my face. Otherwise, you can go for these features as well, like password autofill, other apps, contactless and payments, and iTunes and Apple Store. Otherwise, in other apps, you can select the apps you want, or just simply click on the security pop-up when the app is installed into your iPhone. Next one is inspect a true depth camera. Well, check that the true depth camera is unobstructed by case, screen protector, or debris. Well, make sure with the front camera, as you can see here, make sure there should be no dirt and debris in front of that, or no obstructions should be here. Either it's you can say camera of screen protector or any mobile cover or something like that. Make sure to check that. Otherwise, next is reset Face ID. Well, if nothing is working well, just simply reset your Face ID. Click on the settings and go to Face ID and passcode here. Enter the passcode to go in. And now, when you just simply go down, okay, right now the option is not available, as Face ID is required while stolen device protection is turned on. Okay, the stolen device protection is turned on. Let's turn it off. Okay, it is done. Oh, why is it again turned off? Hmm, security delay done. Okay, right now I just enter it. I don't know what is it. Okay, whenever it is done, just simply here you can see reset Face ID. Simply click on the reset Face ID so that you can and just delete that Face ID and then enter or set up the Face ID again. Here where you will find out set up an alternative appearance, here you will find out the option that set up Face ID for you. Then simply click onto that, follow the instructions, and you will be good to go. This is how you can do so. Otherwise, you can, the last option is update iOS. Well, make sure that you're using the updated version of the iOS, whatever is available onto your iPhone. To check so, simply go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if the update is available, simply update your iPhone with the latest iOS, as the latest one is iOS 18.4.1. Otherwise, if your phone is already updated, there should be nothing, and it says that updated to latest version. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can very easily solve your problem of your Face ID, and you will be good to go. Follow the instructions clearly, and then you can very easily solve your problem. So I hope this is going to be informative for you. Thank you so much, and may you all have a great day.